exploring the meaning of footpath in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we make English language learning fun and easy. Today, we're going to explore a very common but sometimes confusing English term, footpath. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding these everyday terms is crucial. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of footpath. A footpath refers to a narrow path or way, specifically designed for people to walk on. It is different from a road or street that is meant for vehicles. Footpaths are often found in rural and urban areas, and they provide a safe and dedicated space for pedestrians. The key features of a footpath include its narrow width, pedestrian-only access, and often, its location alongside roads, through parks, or in natural settings. In different parts of the English-speaking world, the term footpath can have slight variations in meaning. For instance, in the UK, a footpath is often a path for walking in the countryside. In Australia and New Zealand, it can also mean a sidewalk. In the US, the term is less commonly used, with sidewalk or trail being more prevalent. Understanding these regional differences is essential, especially for English learners who plan to travel or work in these areas. Let's look at how footpath is used in sentences. Please walk on the footpath to avoid the busy traffic. The footpath along the river is perfect for a morning jog. During our countryside tour, we followed a narrow footpath through the fields. Notice how the context can change the implication of the word, but its core meaning remains centered on a path for walking. Sometimes, learners confuse footpath with sidewalk, trail, or pathway. Here's a quick clarification. Sidewalk, usually found in urban areas, alongside streets. Trail, often used for paths in natural, rural, or mountainous areas. Pathway, a general term that can refer to any type of path, including footpaths. Understanding these nuances can greatly enhance your English communication skills. That's all about footpaths. I hope this video has helped clarify what a footpath is and how to use the term effectively in different contexts. Keep practicing, and soon, these terms will become a natural part of your English vocabulary. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more learning videos. See you next time.